Hello, my fellow gardeners. We're going to make a homemade fertilizer for your plants. Makes them grow nice, healthy, and strong with the ingredients you have right under your fingertips at home. If you like me, you like coffee, I love coffee. We're going to use coffee grinds. Make sure it's used coffee grinds, not unused, they're too strong. Basically, they provide nitrogen for healthy, strong stems and a greener growth. Here I have banana peels. I love bananas. I chopped them up. They're a little bit dark because they're a little bit old, but juicy. I chopped them up in small pieces to release the flavors, which is going to give your plants the potassium it needs. Here we have eggshells. You have some eggs, just take them, crunch them up, and that will provide the plants with the calcium. And last but not least, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. That would help to stop or slow down any fungal infection or fungal growth to your plants. So what we're going to do is combine, it's almost 2 cups of coffee grinds, 2 bananas, 3 eggs. You could have a different combination, it really doesn't matter. We're going to combine all these ingredients in a gallon of water and let it sit for about 6 to 8 hours. Make sure it gets all the nutrients mixed together. After that, we're going to strain it. And then what I like to do is I like to put it in this spray bottle with a little pump and basically spray it over your plants, and you're going to see an amazing results, because I don't like to use any chemicals. All my gardening, all my plants are all organic, and it's much healthier for you and for the environment. I hope you find this helpful. Try it, it works great. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channels. Thank you.